Alright, I just retimed the Shovelhead. I'm gonna try and kick it over, see if it starts. Hopefully it does, fingers crossed. Let's see if it goes. That was a big ass fireball. All right, another day. We went skating this morning and it was a lot of fun, but I'm pretty beat. And I got a couple things in the mail today. I bought these Regatta bars. He custom made them. They're pretty awesome. And this headlight from Pseudo Cycles. Bought it off their Instagram. Regatta's an awesome dude. If you want some custom bars, go check him out. He's pretty awesome. So we're gonna throw these bars onto the Shovelhead and see how it looks. This headlight's also for the Shovelhead, but I don't have a bracket yet. So I'm gonna potentially make a bracket either today or make one tomorrow, just because it's getting a little late. But yeah, here's the shovel. We're gonna put these bars on there, but before we do that, I recently just got this SL100 that I'm pretty stoked on. Got it running the same day that we got it. It just needed gas and a battery. And then I put a new seat on there and the wheels, or sorry, the tires, replaced the tires. Got it registered. It's pretty sick. So I just installed this battery on here. I borrowed it from Mike's XL that he's taking apart over there. Thank you, Mike. But we're gonna see if it runs, and if it does, then the CT90 is in the back of the truck. That's coming back in here, and this is gonna go home because other than like the handlebars, I got these new bars, but I'm gonna have to. They're internal wiring, so I'm gonna have to go through all the wiring on the bars. But for now, let's see if it starts up.
Sorry, folks.
Runs pretty good. So that's going home today. But for now, we're just gonna work on the shovel head. Alright, so I'm not quite sure how I like it with the wide glide front end. I definitely love the bars. But once I have the 33.4 on here, it'll look much better. Looks pretty sick though. Looks pretty good. All right, I got the headlight on. Unfortunately, when I was trying to fiddle around putting this headlight on, the whole thing broke and the seal beam kind of shattered. It's all in here. Let me see if I can find it. It's part of it there. So I have this old BMW sealed beam from my 3030 and it works. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Pretty stoked. Thanks again, Regatta Garage. You did an awesome job on these bars, man. All right, so yesterday Joey and I were talking and he brought up Biltwell People's Champ for Born Free and said that I should just enter in the Shovelhead. So I might as well. I'm basically at the point where everybody else is, so maybe a little bit further. But I think I could get it running, and you know, if I even get chosen, I think it'll be ready. So today, because I'm not going to be running this front end, and I have this 33.4 off the iron head that you know, it's just been sitting in the garage for the last couple months. I figured I might as well just swap on the 33.4 onto the Shovelhead so it'll look a little bit more like what it's gonna look like at the end. But I just wanted to take a quick video before we started tearing things apart to just show you guys my two bikes. And I really love this iron head. This one's sick. These bars are pretty insane. The whole stance, like how high it goes. Joey, how tall are you?
6'3".
So you can kind of tell it's like 3.5, 4 feet high. It's pretty crazy. It's a bitch to move around, but you know, we make it work. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of set up a time lapse because we have like 3 hours.
3 hours.
Yeah, about 3 hours to do this and to take photos of my Shovelhead so we can enter it in tonight. And hopefully we get chosen. But yeah, I'm gonna set up a time lapse. right, so basically, there's a Joey right there. You guys didn't see him, huh? But we switched up front ends, and the funny thing is that this front end that's on the flathead right now was on the Shovelhead, and that 33.4 was on the Ironhead, and this Springer was on the flathead. So they've all kind of switched front ends, and we kind of noticed that like halfway through. But this is the crazy Ironhead now with the Springer on it. Looks pretty wild. And then this is the Shovelhead with the 33.4. I think it looks pretty great. I do wish the 33.4 was a little bit shorter, because let me get a little side action here. It's pretty tall. It's a tall boy. But it looks tough. Tough. I kind of mocked up a little sissy bar. It's just a bar. So yeah, I'm gonna move the Shovelhead out of the way, or sorry, the Ironhead out of the way, and take some photos of this thing.